Yeah, I have this older Ford Ranger that we don't really use all that often. I kind of have it as a backup vehicle for the more modern Ford Ranger. Anyway, because sometimes it sits still for a little while, the battery will go dead and we'll have to jump it. But I decided to buy one of these Solpec 20W solar panel. It's a charger maintainer, and there is the solar panel, and the wire runs through here down the groove of the hood. The charge controller is inside the hood, and then it connects to the battery with alligator clips, and we'll take a look at that in a minute. But one thing you never want to do is you never want to start the vehicle with this hooked up. This is could cause a charge, or a spark, a fire, or anything else, so you don't want to do that. All right, this is looking from the hood, and you can see the solar panel, and there's the wire. It goes down through here, and we'll open up the hood here in a second. But you want to primarily use this if the battery is full powered, it's in good health, and this panel will maintain the battery. But if you've got a dead battery, this isn't going to do it. You're going to have to make sure that the battery's healthy and fully jumped, fully powered, and everything like that. Anyway, let's open up the hood and take a look. All right, you can see the wire as it comes down the channel here. Then it hooks up to a charge controller. And you can see in the sun and charging. And there is your alligator clips. Okay, the panel is disconnected from the battery. The vehicle is running, and we're going to take her for a ride here in a little bit. And then after that, we'll hook the solar panel back up. Sounds good, though. All right, we went on our nice little journey, and we got the solar panel Trickle charger reinstalled. There's your wire running down the groove of the hood, and got it all hooked up to the battery and charging. So we'll see how this does, but it did great this last time. So anyway, if you have a vehicle, boat, motorcycle, whatever like that doesn't get moved all that often, this is the way to do it. All right, everybody, have a great day.